What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous glittery eye look using our brand new liquid seaglass eyeshadow. Alright, we're going to start by using shades from our Tarte Pro palette. Alright, now we're going to start out with the shade Innocent, and we're going to apply this right into our crease. I love this shade. It's so soft, it's really nice. It's almost like a warm peachy color, and it just looks so good. Alright, next we're going to take the shade Mod and we're going to pack that all over our lid and blend it up into the crease. Now we're going to smoke this out a little bit using the shade Smoked. We're going to pack it right in the outer corner of the eye, and we're just going to blend that softly towards the center and up into the crease. Don't forget to bring it down along your lower lash line. Now I'm going to take our seaglass eyeshadow in the shade Sweet Life, and I'm going to apply it right to the inner corner of the lid, bringing it towards the center but not going all the way. You can use a brush or your finger to help blend this out. Okay, how freaking beautiful is this? I am in love! Now we're going to line with the liquid end of my favorite Tarte Double Take eyeliner. Now I'm applying our brand new Tarte Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Baddie. They're so nice, so full. Check these out. For intense black lashes, I'm going to top my lashes off with our Gifted Smart Mascara. Alright, tartlets, so there you have it. I have been dying to create a look like this, and I'm so glad because our metallic sea glass eyeshadows are the perfect way to complete this look. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section below if you're loving this and if you want to see me do other looks with the other shades in this set. Alright guys, until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.